Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be 70 degrees.
I'm so excited because, like, you know, I live in the frozen tundra. Welcome back. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. What am I like? Hi, doll baby. Oh, I feel like I need some lip gloss. I'm gonna use this Fenty Gloss Bomb in Cake Shake. Yeah, so oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like cake. Today I have a quick show and tell because I've already worn this. This is a half wig, but before I get started, I am wearing a new eyeshadow palette and I'm obsessed.
Okay.
During 21 Days of Beauty, I picked up some of these Nabla Cutie palettes. I got the number 2, which is the Coral. I got the number 4, which is the Metropolitan. And then now I am using this number 3, which is the Platinum. And I am obsessed. The quality is amazing. This is what the eye look looks like. They're normally like $23, but they're 50% off. So yeah, they're worth $23, which isn't a bad price, but getting them even cheaper is even better. This is another half wig, and this is Outre Quick Weave, and this is Ava. I have Ava in the color DRB30/4. Ava is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I have the color that is shown on the stock card, and it comes in a few other colors. This is just your standard half wig, and I got it from Shop Hair Wigs for $16.87. I love this wig. So I'm loving half wigs in general, but this one in particular reminds me, it is a yaki texture. She is quite long. I would say she is probably 26 or 28 inches for a wavy type wig. I did wear her, so it's catching a slight bit, but she doesn't really tangle. That was just me like throwing her. I wore her all around the city. My boyfriend and I are getting like a part-time apartment, and so we were walking we walked all over all day long, and she was great. She is a yaki texture, so you would think that she was really, really hot, but she wasn't. I think because it's a half wig. She feels amazing. It reminds me of Free Tress's Follow Me, or Made Beauty's, I think it was Kyla or something. Follow Me is one of my favorite wigs. This just reminds me of the half wig style of that. Okay, she's a standard half wig. She's got the combs in the front, comb in the back. I just have, if you can see, this is how the half wig looks. I just have this headband right over the part that you can tell it's a wig. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, look how pretty. Look at the movement on that. And she was great. Like, I wore her in a ponytail one day too. So I guess I wore her for 2 days because we were there overnight. But I wore her the first day, and then the next day I wore her in a ponytail. I did use leave out. I really like this one, and I think that it would be a nice, like, long term. I think she would last pretty long, to be honest with you. Like I said, I was walking all around sweating. I had her up, and I think she feels great. I didn't really comb her yet, but as you can see, look, she combs really nice. She really can do this like twisty thing with her, so you can have her just really coiffed if you want to, or you can just open her up. You can kind of do one of these if you wanted. There's a lot of options. So I'm loving Ava, especially for under $20. I think she is very versatile, and yeah, I am loving her. So if you have this half wig, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have other ones from Outre, I have a bunch. I will include this one in my half wigs, headband wigs playlist. I wear them as headband wigs. You can wear them different ways. I would suggest maybe looking that up because some people blend it with their natural hair. My hair is actually getting longer. And it is sort of colored like this because all the blonde that I did is almost out. So my natural hair, so I could maybe do something. I kind of just like it this way. I think it's just fast and easy and cute. And then you can also, like I said, put it up, and yeah, I just like it this way. If there's other half wigs you'd like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!